So today I'm going to be unboxing my new toothbrush because my other one doesn't work. First we got the charger. Whoa. There we go. This is it. And then second we got this weird thing.
Instructions.
Yeah. And then does it come with toothpaste?
No.
Oh. And then we got the main toothbrush. Oh. Then I'm going to put the top on it. And then it's like that. So we got these. So that's going to be the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!